Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem your John Lewis gift card, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before that, just hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Alright, now let's move on. First step, you want to go to johnlewis.com, which is the official website of John Lewis, and once you're in the official website, choose whichever product you want to buy, because the only way you can redeem this gift card is by choosing a product to buy, and during the checkout time you can use your gift card as a form of payment. Alright, so I'm going to click on add to your basket because I want to buy this little thing. Once it's added to my basket over here, I can click on my basket at the top right corner. Once you're in your basket, what you want to do is click on where it says continue to checkout. And over here, I'm going to choose guest checkout because I don't have a John Lewis account, and I'm going to enter my email address over here. You guys also do that, but if you have an account, you can enter your account detail, log into your account, alright? So I'm going to choose continue as guest and then choose my name, my first name, last name, phone number. After entering this form, go to the next step, choose which date you want it to be delivered. After you choose the delivery date, click on continue to payment. And once you're in the payment sector over here, what you can do is choose use gift card over here and choose the type of gift card you have and enter your gift card number and your gift card pin. Click on done. Once you do that, your gift card will be added over here. Once it's added over here, scroll a bit down, click on place order and pay. Then your gift card is going to be used to pay for whatever stuff you're buying right now. So yeah, that's how you guys can redeem your John Lewis and Partners gift card. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step, and bye bye.